Hi guys, today we will learn the difference between made of and made from. So remember guys, we use made of when the actual physical form of material does not change during the process of making the subject. And we use made from when the original material has been changed into something else in the process. So, if you can get back something, you use made of. And if you cannot get back something, you use made from. So let us see. The cake is made dash flour. So can you get back flour from the cake? No. So we use made from. The house is made dash bricks. So can you get bricks from house back? Yes. So we use made of. The bottle is made dash plastic. Can you get plastic back from the bottle? Yes. So we use made of. Paper is made dash wood. Can you get wood back from paper? Obviously no. So we use made from. Cheese is made dash milk. Can we get milk back from the cheese? Obviously no. So we use made from. The ring is made dash gold. Can we get gold back from the ring? Obviously yes. So we use made of. Juice is made dash grapes. Can we get grapes back from the juice? Obviously no. So we use made from. Plastic is made dash oil. Can we get oil back from plastic? No. So we use made from. The socks are made dash wool. Can we get wool back from the socks? Yes. So we use made of. The vase is made dash glass. Can we get glass back from the vase? So you tell me the answer of this question in the comments.